Okay, so today we're at Fort Charles, Port Royal. We've come to have a tour.
Afternoon.
Like massive security.
Yes.
So you imagine all of this would have potentially been seen?
Yeah.
Really? Most of this.
So what is there not to love about Jamaica? You need to come down here to Port Royal, Fort Charles, have a tour, gain an insight into the history.